Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. At least I look pretty. Hi everyone, it's me, Jessie. Today autumn has just arrived. I opened my window. Oh my god, rain. Rain is water that comes from the sky. Anyway, the biggest problem that I find with rain is that we don't know how to protect our makeup. So I went to the supermarket and I asked if there's a product that keeps you dry. She showed me this whole area that was filled with boxes that show exactly how many raindrops the product can take. Like this one, for example. 4 out of 6 raindrops, which is great. First, make sure you've got makeup on. Otherwise, there's nothing to protect. Before you enter the place where you were going to, just make sure you take it off. Throw it in the trash or in your purse, or like feed it to a dog, or just give it to a homeless person because maybe they can't afford like really good makeup protectors.